Hello guys, welcome to Shreya Talks on Market. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video, I'll first start with a Nifty view for the coming days. I'll also talk about a couple of stocks which looks interesting for the next coming days. Okay then, let's start. So guys, as you see, this is the Nifty day chart. Nifty has been rocking now, and as you see how it has been breaking out of every consolidation zone. And if you see recently, it just broke out from this 18,050 kind of a zone, and now last 3 days it has been doing gap ups and sustaining there. So this is what has happened till now. So for the coming days or the next week, let us see, uh, till where can Nifty probably go. I'll just simply put one no Fibo. So I'll take the no pre-pandemic high and the pandemic low. Now, if you see, guys, now where we are close to the first resistance now, like after Nifty broke out from the previous high, like the pre-pandemic high, like 12,430. So it has been doing all these targets one by one. So now it's approaching to important Fibonacci, resistance. I would say 18,510, which showing up. So, so we have to see, now right now it's around 18,338, last week close. So we can expect, some kind of resistance, around 18,500. So there might be some profit booking, or you need to be cautious around those levels. Or it can happen in the similar way like how Nifty has been consolidating. Now if you see, at each of these Fibonacci retracements, which is seen in this monthly chart, all these figures I'm talking about, 15,400, 17,300, Nifty did some consolidation. If you collate these numbers in the daily chart, so there can be some consolidation or some sideways movement around this level. Once it breaks this level on the upside, so we can see the next number, that is 19,229, in the coming weeks or 2 3 months, I would say. And if it is taking a resistance there, so we need to be cautious, and we can see, how from there till where it can retrace. Okay, so for the coming week, I would just look at these numbers. Like, first thing which I would be seeing is 18,500. So 510 here, actually, if there is a day close above 510, this is a monthly chart. So, and our monthly close is very far now, because today is just 17th, tomorrow will be 18th of October. So for now, I would say, if we close in a day above this number, so Nifty will, it is bullish, but we have to see how bullish for the target of 19,200 around. But we have to see how it goes around 18,500. Does it consolidate, or does it take a resistance? So, but this is just giving a small picture, what is going to come next. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell about Nifty. Okay, so one more thing guys need to be a bit cautious is last 3 days, a lot of gap in between, you know. So there can be a possibility, you know, when this 18,500 comes, Nifty can, you know, take some resistance there, you know, and, you know, try to fill these gaps. But I would not say that all gaps are filled, but you know, it's just a possibility. Okay, so you guys can watch out for that. So apart from that, I wanted to discuss few stocks which are really looking good. First of them is, you know, Hindustan Unilever, HUL. So guys, if you see this weekly chart, this Hindustan Unilever, I've just drawn simple trend lines. Okay, so you guys can see that, you know, this is one upward trend line, and recently it had broken out of the previous ATH, you know, and then now it has retraced, and it is retesting the breakout zone. Okay, so although like I just told you, like Nifty is maybe close to a resistance zone, but these FMCG are, you know, kind of defensive bets. So you won't be losing much on this, because the setup is very good. It has done very nice breakout retest here, and based on the trend line we can see, you know, around 3200, 3300 levels in this. So this stock you can keep in your watch list and see now how it goes. So for, you know, a medium term perspective, I would keep a stop loss of around 2300 or so, or break down from this trend line. And I don't see that happening. I would definitely expect this going for 3200 plus levels. Okay, so this is one thing which I want to talk. The other stock, which is again in the FMCG sector, is the Nestle. Exactly similar setup here. If you see, you know, there is one good weekly upward sloping trend line, a breakout here, now around 16th of August that week. Now very nicely it has retested the breakout zone, as well as the, you know, 20 moving average. From there this week it has formed a reversal candle, you know, a green candle. So now I expect around 24,000 level in this stock. Stop loss is around 16,000. So good risk reward for this. Again, a defensive bet. If even if Nifty takes resistance around 18,500, I would still, you know, expect such stocks to move up. Okay, so you can keep this also in your radar. Very nice setup again. Okay, so the last stock which I wanted to talk, which is having a very minimal risk reward, many very minimal risk with a good reward, is this Infi. You know, so if you see, this is the Infi daily chart. Okay, so Infi, you know, it had good results, you know, and now it is consolidating around the zone. So what I expect is, like, if it is able to hold 1662 or 1660 round figure on a day close levels, we can see 2000 levels in this, you know. So short term traders can, you know, watch out for this, you know, because I see that the trend is still bullish in this, and you know, it is consolidating in a very small range from the last, you know, 1 month or so. So I would, you know, I would keep 1660 as the stop loss for further longs, and if this level holds, we can see 2000 levels in this. So do keep this in your radar. So these are the three stocks which I wanted to discuss for this week. First one was Hindustan Unilever, second was Nestle, third one is this Infosys. Nifty, I told it might take a resistance of around 18,500. Please watch how it behaves there. It may consolidate for a few days, or for a week or so there, and if it manages to close above it for a day or so and stay there for a day or so, then we can expect 19,200 targets in a couple of months, or maybe in a month, don't know. So with this, I end my first video on my channel. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any comments, please do comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. I would be posting one video every week during the weekends, so that you can get a some uh, brush up for the markets for the next week. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.